Historical Eats, Historical Eats, Historical Eats.
Welcome everybody to another episode of Historical Eats. Today we are going to be making a breakfast time treat, apparently, codfish balls from 1915 and our dear Mrs. Allen. So let's get started.
Before we jump into the recipe, just want to give a quick shout out to The Market at Park City for sponsoring these videos and providing all of the groceries that you see here. This is a pretty simple recipe. You basically just need 1 part cod to 2 parts potatoes. The unit of measurement they use in this recipe is bowlfuls, which is not very helpful to us. So we had to just guesstimate based on the 1 pound of cod that we got from the market. You boil both the fish and the potatoes together, drain the water, then add in 2 eggs, possibly more if you used more than what they might consider 1 bowlful or 2 bowlfuls of the other ingredients. You mash everything together, form them into balls, the egg acting as the glue to hold it together. Then you fry it in melted lard. We could not find lard, so we substituted for vegetable shortening. So it doesn't take much to make codfish balls. This recipe came to us from Mrs. Allen in our 1915 Rocky Mountain Cookbook. Unfortunately, there was no initial or first name provided for Mrs. Allen, and Allen is a pretty common last name, and so we could not determine which Mrs. Allen provided this recipe.
Okay, we are back at the museum. Our codfish balls turned out a little less ball-like than we expected, but that's okay. We're joined today by Morgan, who's going to try them with us. And once again, this is from our 1915 cookbook from our dear Mrs. Allen. So let's see what they're like.
Well, my expectations were high when I learned that you were making cod balls, so let's try.
Alright. Now these have cod, egg, and potato in them, and they were fried with vegetable shortening. We didn't have lard, or the market didn't have lard, so. And then we've got some banana sauce if you want to try it. I didn't remember to buy some tartar sauce, so.
Did you say banana sauce?
Yes, it's kind of like ketchup made from bananas. It's from the Philippines. Just something to break up the random friedness.
I fear I'm getting nothing but potato.
It's
so
mostly
far.
potato, yeah. I fear Mrs. Allen told us it was 2 bowlfuls of potato and 1 bowlful of cod, and our measuring may have been off.
Did you use the same bowl?
I didn't really use a bowl, we just kind of guessed what 2 parts potato, 1 part fish looked like.
Yeah, I had some fish in that one. I mean, cod isn't exactly a super.
Yeah, I'm getting it a little bit, but.
Oh, okay.
I don't think it's meeting what I was expecting. I, of course, was partially hoping for crab cake balls. I know they're completely different. A deep fryer might have been the...
Yeah, well, we also should have put in more egg. Again, we were just eyeballing it, so we should have gone with more eggs.
Yeah.
But they would have held together better, so they became more hash browns than balls. But oh well.
How old is this recipe?
110 years.
1915 again? Okay.
So, yeah, decent, I guess. Like, we could have ourselves performed a little better, but the recipe was also vague, as they mostly all are, so a little difficult to judge how much stuff we were supposed to use. But,
yeah.
This is a recipe that could work well, I think, although we did not execute it very well. So
It's not bad. Just a lot of potato, a little bit of fish.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching us eat something that we didn't do very well this time. So.
It's gonna be our first real fail.
Yeah. All right.
There's plenty of leftovers.
See you next time.
Historical Eats. historical eats, historical eats.